In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Sennheiser Bluetooth to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Sennheiser headphones with Bluetooth wirelessly on any iPhone. So first, make sure that Bluetooth is good to go and set up on your iPhone. You will be able to open up the Settings app and in there, access the Bluetooth category. Make sure that it is enabled and you will see the list of available devices nearby. Now you have to set your Sennheiser headphones into pairing mode. To do this, regardless of the model, usually you will press a specific button on the actual headphones. So an example would be the HD450BT. By pressing this button that I've highlighted here, you will be able to set it to pairing mode. If you have a different model, then I recommend checking the specific manual for yours so you know how to do it, but regardless, just find how to set up your Sennheiser headphones in pairing mode. Once they are in pairing mode, usually indicated by the LED flashing, you will be able to find them under the list of available devices on your iPhone. So immediately upon selecting the Sennheiser Bluetooth headphones from the list, they will pair themselves up and you will be able to use them indefinitely, as long as they have sufficient battery. So, as long as they are sufficiently charged, all of the audio being output through your iPhone will go over to the Sennheiser headphones that you are using instead. You will be able to open any game, any sort of video, you can answer calls, and so on, and all of them will be done with the Sennheiser Bluetooth headphones. Once they are out of battery, they will automatically power off, and you can repeat the same steps to pair them up again. They should automatically be recognized every single subsequent time that you power them on. If it doesn't work, I recommend restarting your phone and then unpairing and pairing them back up again. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sennheiser Bluetooth to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.